In this video, I'm going to tell you the difference between still, already, and yet. Still, already, and yet are three adverbs that can be a little bit tricky to use properly. By the end of this video, you'll know how. We'll go through plenty of examples to help you put these in context, and we'll also go through where to put the adverbs in a sentence. These three adverbs, they all talk about situations around the present, but they don't mean the same thing. We use still to talk about something that hasn't finished. It often refers to something that's happening for longer than we thought it would. Here are a few examples. Are you still studying? Let's get out of here. My grandfather is 69 and he still runs every day. Jane has stopped smoking, but her brother still hasn't quit. Notice the position of still in these examples. Put it before the main verb. But if it's a negative sentence, still goes before that negative auxiliary. Her brother still hasn't quit. We use already to talk about something that has finished, but maybe we thought it wouldn't have by now. Here are some examples. I already know what I want for my birthday. We've already seen that movie. Let's watch something else. Jane is already here. There was no traffic today. Check out the placement of already in these sentences. Already normally comes before the main verb. I already know what I want for my birthday. We've already seen that movie. The exception is when the main verb is the verb be. Jane is already here. Already comes after the verb be. Here's a handy trick. You can also put already at the end of a sentence. I know what I want for my birthday already. We've seen that movie already. Jane's here already. We use yet to think about things that haven't happened, but we think they will. Here are some examples. Haven't you left yet? You'll be late. You can't go home yet. You haven't finished all your work. Hasn't your mother told you yet? We're moving to Antarctica. Notice, yet is always put at the end of the sentence. Pretty simple. Often we use still and yet together in a sentence to explain why an action is continuing. I'm still studying at the university because I haven't graduated yet. We still don't know where to go on vacation. We haven't started planning yet. So just remember, things that are still happening haven't finished. Things that have already happened have finished, and things that are yet to happen haven't started. Good job. Don't forget to go to organicenglish.club, where you'll find plenty of other resources to help you become more fluent. Please also subscribe to my newsletter. Subscribers will get cheat sheets, mini lessons, and video updates direct to their inbox. Thank you for watching. Now go out and practice your English.